you're decentralized. So when you think about exits, is there a potential buyout exit, or is this always going to be about the community and its scaling?
So, see, community is a big part of it. But what I am seeing in this space is a significant opportunity with financial institutions coming in. I believe that like 2025, you will see buyouts and exits in the RWS space, because every banker I speak to is very interested about crypto. They just don't know what to do. Okay. And I think with the right regime in place, they're like, okay, let's just dip a foot in it and try it out. Now, what is the easiest way to try it out? Buy a Web3 company, let them do what they are doing, or understand it. So I do believe there will be a lot of M&A and acquisition in this space, and that's what's happening. And not just between a financial sector and RWA companies, but also within various players in this sector, there is a lot of M&A and exit opportunity. And yeah, for Zoth, I am building Zoth with a vision that we will be the largest player in this in the RWA space. And then we will see what's next.
Or the institutions all start using Zoth.
Yes.
And then they just use your rails, and it's like a payment platform, but it's an issuance platform.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and most importantly, also, we are already seeing institutional traction. We have actually one of the few Fortune 500 clients on board. We recently did some PRs also with them, and more are coming. So it has started, and we are seeing it already happening.
Will you stick to the finance aspect, or is there any chance that you'll go back into the real estate sector? We saw a big announcement yesterday where Mantra, one of the RWA chains, has announced $1 billion tokenization with DeMac, the property developer here, who just met with Trump at Mar-a-Lago a couple days ago. Is this ultimately on the roadmap where you go into the real estate market? You want to leave it alone for a while because it's not yet mature? What are your thoughts there?
I believe it's not mature. You can tokenize anything, but you need to find buyers for it. So I believe we as Zoth will focus on the financial instruments. Is a significant market and significant play there, and that's where we want to focus.
Okay, so focus on that for now. Yeah. Grow the team, grow the community, grow the institutions.
Yes.
And just stay in that lane.
Stay in that lane.
Yeah.
That lane is bigger than anything else as of now. The biggest opportunity right now.
Yeah.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Yeah, and again, when you originally came and pitched to us, I really noticed that you guys were staying in your lane. You had focused on this micro niche. You knew it really well. You were producing results and yields, and it was clearly value add. And again, you were already running numbers even before you had the stable token pop. And it was like, okay, these guys have figured out what to do. And again, you're doing something that has a demand, that has the liquidity, that has the upside, that has already the institutional buyers.
Yeah.
You're not trying to convince someone that it's a great thing to do to buy this tiny piece of tokenized real estate.
Yep.
These people, they live and breathe fixed income.
Yep.
So you're just providing a better way.
I'm just providing a better way. Imagine you are an institution, a corporate. Every corporate, Fortune 500 corporate in the world holds US Treasury bills, money market for their cash needs, for their overnight cash needs. All of them are my customers. For them, it's the easiest option to earn a stacked reward because they are not risking their capital. They are just earning an additional delta on top. Every single company worth $50 million to $100 million has a way to manage treasury. So all of them are my potential customer. So for me, the market education part is lower. Yes, there is a DeFi angle to it, and hence we are focusing on the low hanging fruits. We are focusing on crypto institutions, banks who are interested to start with. But I believe every single company is a potential customer. Anybody who holds treasury, anybody who holds cash is a potential customer of Zoth. For any other sector, say for real estate, you need to explain the concept, everything. And for some reason, I personally believe that I can't relate to the fact that I'm okay with buying a 1 square feet of a home. Okay, I'll earn yield, but that's logged. And I can earn better yield in equity. I can get better yield in a bond or private credit. Why would I do that? So I believe that as a business, it's important to focus in the initial years, get traction, and focus on things which can be scaled easily, especially in the space like crypto where narratives and there is a lot of innovation going on. You don't want to introduce too many variables. So for us, the go-to market is very clear. It's a product innovation that we are focusing on, and we want to stick to that, scale it to $1 billion company, and then look at what else we can do.
Keep it simple.
Maybe tokenize a rock in mass, but not now.
Okay. All right. So keep it simple.
Keep it
kind of stay in your lane.
Yeah.
And not try to do too many things at once.
Yeah.
And you're right. If anybody wants to dip their toe into crypto, and every financial institution is thinking about it now, especially when they see what BlackRock is doing, they can do it easily, right? They can take a tiny part of their treasury, and instead of doing what they normally would do and buy a T-bill, they can go ahead and do that on your platform, get a little extra yield, and realize that, guess what? It doesn't blow up.
It doesn't blow up.
Yeah, it doesn't blow up. I get it back. I get a little extra yield. This blockchain thing's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Maybe I can do a little more. Maybe I can do a little more.
A little more.
And it's cheaper than them buying a Web3 company or trying to figure it out. So they can try it.
They can try it.
Okay. And that's your message to all those players out there.
Yep.
Come and try it.
Come and try it.
Okay.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.